Hello football coaches and football players. Today I'm going to show you some running back football plays, or drills that you can run with your team. Let's get down to the clipboard and let's check these out. Okay, so this first drill is great to run at pretty much any age group. We're going to have the running backs, or just all of our players if you want to have a team that's well-rounded, to go and run through these pylons. Now, what you want to have when they get to each pylon is either a quick juke or a spin move of some kind. That way they are learning how to do that in game. Now, at the older age groups, you can have coaches or other players with pads at each pylon, and from there, they're able to then feel what the contact is like when they're running through this drill. Now, you can also have a coach with the football over here, and you can then also have another pylon over here. So we can move the zigzag drill over here. We want the running backs to then run around this pylon. When they're running in this direction, we want the coach to then pass them the football, and then they're going to be doing the exact same thing through these pylons. When they get here, they're going to pass the football back to the coach, and they're going to go in the back of the line. Or you can have it set up where they are running a very similar route to what they would do in game. So you can have the coach over here with the football, and you can have the players lined up right next to him, run up to the pylon, run back down. The coach is going to throw them the ball, and he's going to then run again through the pylons. When he gets back over here, we'll have another football set up already. The next player is already going when he passes the football back to the coach. So now this is another play or another drill that is like basically a running route drill, where we're going to have player 2 running up to the pylon. He is then going to be cutting back down depending on what the coach wants him to do in one of those 3 angles. And then when he cuts back down, the coach is going to pass him the football, and then he's going to be running in between those pylons. Now, at the older age groups, you could have defensive players set up so that now this defensive player is going to go one-on-one against that running back to try and stop him from getting in between those cones. Now, in this next drill, what we're going to have is 2 pylons set up down here, roughly 10 to 15 yards apart, same over here. And we're going to be having the running backs go up against our defensive linemen and also our defensive backs. And if this is an older age group, you can do this with full tackle, full gear if you want. If not, then you can use flags. If you're running a flag football team, you can run flags as well. And what you're going to do is trying to have player 2 run past and through player 1 to get through those 2 pylons. Meanwhile, they cannot go outside of these boundaries, so you could set up other pylons if you want so that you can make sure that they do not go outside of those boundaries. And meanwhile, player 2 has to try and make his way past that line. You can also have this set up as well where you could have the line on the far side. The coach then throws him the ball so that he learns how to catch and then run right away so he can have momentum like he would in game to try and get past player 1. And in our 5th and final drill that you can run, we can have player 2 shuffling back and forth between these 2 pylons. We can then have the coach pass him the ball. He is going to then turn right away and run downfield to touch that pylon. And if you want, you can also time the player with a stopwatch as soon as he catches that ball and goes to see how long it takes him to get to that pylon. And you can try and have your team go faster and faster and faster, and you can record their times so that you can keep it competitive so that they're competing against themselves. I hope that these drills help you and your team. If they do, let us know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. So I'll see you guys there.